Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Reporting Model Outcomes and Insights. Reporting model outcomes and insights is a critical component of the GenAI lifecycle, particularly within the domain of model auditing and reporting. Effective reporting not only encapsulates model performance, but also conveys the implications, ethical considerations, and potential applications of the outcomes generated by artificial intelligence models. This lesson delves into the intricacies of translating complex model outputs into actionable insights that can be understood by diverse stakeholders, including technical teams, business leaders, and regulatory bodies. The aim is to ensure that all parties have a clear understanding of what the model predicts, how reliable these predictions are, and what actions might be appropriate in response. The process of reporting model outcomes begins with the accurate depiction of performance metrics. These metrics often include accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and more complex measures such as the area under the ROC curve for classification models, or mean squared error and root mean squared error for regression models. It is essential to present these metrics in a manner that highlights not only the strengths of the model, but also its limitations. A nuanced interpretation is necessary to avoid overestimating the model's capabilities or underrepresenting potential biases. For instance, a model with high accuracy may still perform poorly on specific subgroups within the data, leading to biased outcomes. Beyond performance metrics, the reporting of model outcomes must include a discussion on the interpretability and explainability of the model. As AI systems become more complex, often employing deep learning techniques, the challenge of explaining how a model arrives at a particular decision becomes more pronounced. Tools and techniques such as LIME and SHAP are employed to make the model's decisions more transparent. These tools help in identifying which features of the input data are most influential in the model's predictions, thereby facilitating a better understanding of the model's behavior. The insights derived from model outcomes need to be contextualized within the broader framework of the problem domain. This requires a deep understanding of the business or operational context in which the AI model is deployed. For example, a predictive model in healthcare that identifies patients at risk of a particular condition must be integrated with clinical knowledge to ensure that the insights lead to improved patient outcomes. This involves collaboration between data scientists and domain experts to ensure that the model's predictions are not only accurate, but also relevant and actionable. An important aspect of reporting model outcomes is addressing ethical considerations and potential biases inherent in AI models. Models are trained on historical data, which may contain biases that can lead to unfair treatment of certain groups. Reporting should therefore include an analysis of how the model's predictions vary across different demographic groups and an assessment of whether these differences are justifiable or indicative of bias. Techniques such as fairness-aware machine learning can be employed to mitigate these biases, but it is crucial that the reporting highlights any residual biases and discusses their potential impact. Moreover, the potential impact of model deployment on stakeholders and society at large should be considered and communicated. This includes evaluating the risks associated with model errors, the potential for misuse of the model, and the implications for privacy and data security. A robust risk assessment should accompany the reporting of model outcomes, detailing possible scenarios of model failure and their consequences. It is necessary to outline mechanisms for monitoring the model's performance post-deployment, ensuring that any deviations or unexpected behaviors are promptly addressed. Finally, the reporting of model outcomes should be tailored to the audience's level of technical expertise. For technical teams, detailed documentation of the model's architecture, training processes, and performance metrics may be appropriate. In contrast, reports for business leaders or regulatory bodies might focus more on the strategic implications of the model's insights, presented in a non-technical language. Effective communication is key to ensuring that all stakeholders understand and trust the model's outcomes, facilitating informed decision-making and fostering a culture of transparency and accountability in AI implementation. In conclusion, reporting model outcomes and insights is a multifaceted task that requires a balance between technical detail and accessible communication. It involves not only presenting performance metrics, but also explaining the model's decisions, contextualizing insights, addressing ethical considerations, and assessing risks. By ensuring that these elements are comprehensively and clearly reported, organizations can maximize the value derived from AI models while minimizing potential negative impacts. This lesson underscores the importance of a structured and thoughtful approach to model reporting as a fundamental aspect of the GenAI lifecycle. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.